Hello guys, welcome back to Top Home Guide. Today I am going to talk in this video about best grout cleaner that you should buy. Let's do started. Top 5. Best grout cleaner. Grout is common in kitchens because tile is relatively easy to clean, it looks nice, and it can blend in with a variety of decors. However, your kitchen is a very busy area that sees a lot of traffic every day, and this can lead to unsightly grout stains that make your entire floor, wall, or backsplash look dingy and dirty. No matter how hard you scrub, it's difficult to get it clean. Number 5. Mapey Ultra Care Heavy Duty Stone Tile and Grout Cleaner. This product is formulated to quickly remove most waxes, grease, oil, light soap scum, and stains from mildew and algae. It is quite effective at removing most factory. Main features: heavy-duty application, restoration wizard, versatile cleaner. Number 4. Granite Gold Grout Cleaner and Scrub Brush. This grout cleaner safely cleans and disinfects grout all over your home. It is non-toxic, acid-free, biodegradable and contains no phosphates or ammonia. Main features: safe and acid-free formula. Includes agitator brush. Easy to use. Number 3. Hoover Floor Mate Grout and Tile Plus Hard Floor Cleaning. The new proprietary formula enhances the performance on any natural stone and tile surface. It is perfectly designed to give your hard floors the spa treatment usually. Main features: 100% biodegradable. Made in the USA. Non-toxic. Number 2. RMR86 Instant Mold and Mildew Stain Remover Spray. This formula restores wood to its original condition. By removing mold stains, you no longer need to replace the wood. It on any hard surfaces and watch the mold stains disappear. Main features: remove unwanted odors. Fast-acting spray. Safe to use. Number 1. Ultimate Grout Cleaner for Tile Ceramic. It can also be used for cleaning grout with a grout steam cleaner. Because it is acid-free, it will not clean calcium or water spots from showers, but it will work extremely well. Main features: acid-free safe deep cleaner. Made in USA. Stain remover. Thanks for watching. To receive every update, please subscribe and click the bell icon below. For more information about this products, check the video description.